According to a projection, there are approximately 1.7 million electric vehicles in the USA, which is only expected to rise with time. Therefore, the biggest problem that remains now is the charging solution. That's what Apple tries to solve. Being one of the most mind-boggling inventions that will blow you away, the company plans to install charging points worldwide. What's unique is that they aren't offering battery charging, but battery swapping, where you can come and get a 100% charged battery in 5 minutes. Customers can pay for power on a subscription basis, and currently, they're operating 12 battery swapping stations in the San Francisco Bay Area. What makes it even more special is that they use renewable energy solutions like solar and wind energy to generate electricity for charging. The stations are fully automated and take up to 2 parking spaces, which means they can be installed anywhere. The owner aims to see 1 billion electric vehicles by 2030 and wants to solve the charging problem for everyone. We have similar amazing innovations and ideas that will take your breath away, so keep watching till the very end. These drones employ the latest technology and are ideal to be used for rescue missions, as they have the ability to go into confined spaces. Thanks to their wings, they can hover around, move back and forth, and in vertical directions. The users can choose an internal combustion or an electric engine, and the drone has shown an excellent flight time of 150 minutes. Moreover, these impressive drones can carry loads starting from 2 kilograms with a maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Moving ahead, we have one more drone coming up in the video, which features a unique set of wings. Next up, we have a great innovation from the robotics world. The Canada-based company Sanctuary AI has developed the first general-purpose robot with human-like intelligence. This robot aims to increase jobs, as it needs a human to help it understand the tasks. The companies prove that the robot can do hundreds of tasks identified by customers over a wide range of industries. The robot stands at 5.6 feet, weighs 70 kilograms, and has a payload capacity of up to 25 kilograms. According to the founder of the company, it's the most sensor-rich and physically capable humanoid robot ever built. This was the first of many latest and most advanced robotic technologies we have on our list today, as we also have a giant robot coming up. Skating has become immensely popular and is also an Olympic game now. Therefore, a Finnish company has developed a unique idea that improvises the skates to be used on snow surfaces. The sledge comes up with mini skis in place of the wheels, guaranteeing a similar experience to wheels. The mini skis are adjusted by springs, which adds to the excitement, and gives a chance to pull out some tricks on the skateboard. This unique gadget can be yours for just $312. A 3D printer can print everything from simple toys to deadly weapons. However, did you ever imagine wearing a 3D printed shoe? Let's get into it. The French luxury company Dior has developed a unique fashion trend, a 3D printed shoe which they unveiled at the Paris Fashion Week. The team scanned a Dior Carlo Derby shoe and used it to come up with a new design with sleek and subtle Dior branding at the heel and underfoot. The shoe will only be available in black, but Dior is currently exploring ways to offer more color options. The shoe's insole is made of leather, but despite that, the shoe's incredibly lightweight, and the plastic material ensures it's well ventilated. Remember that the entire shoe is completed in just 12 hours. Dior believes that craftsmanship should not be limited to handmade shoes. And now maybe it's time for the machines to take over. Would you wear a 3D printed shoe? How about another mind-blowing concept? This concept shoe is made from single material, as the designer of this show, Martin Salieri's, is inspired by the weaving techniques of a spider. The shoe's crafted from a single material, yet the properties and size of the material keep changing. That's what the owner claims to be the selling point of his invention. Also, being lightweight yet sturdy enough makes it a great pair to own. So which of these two 3D printed shoes are you keen on owning? Let us know in the comments below. That's enough from the shoe industry, as it's time to go back to another fascinating robotic concept. An excellent engineering marvel, the 6-finger project can be worn on the left hand next to the pinky to move like a real finger. This additional finger provides an extended range of motion and grasping abilities, enabling users to perform complex tasks that typically require multiple hands or intricate coordination. The potential applications of the 6-finger project are diverse. It can assist individuals in various fields, such as manufacturing, construction, healthcare, and even daily activities. For instance, the other finger can aid in delicate assembly tasks or handling small components with precision in manufacturing settings. In healthcare, it may assist surgeons during complex procedures or provide support for individuals with motor impairments. Scientists are still testing the device, and advancements in this field can help build prosthetics as well. The next item on the list is a treat for people who love modifying their cars. These are one of the smartest and most versatile suspension systems available in the world, as they're even compatible with the 70s cars like Ford and Dodge. The Heights Pro G suspension system is known for improving cornering grip, reducing body roll, enhancing traction, and providing a more connected and precise driving feel. It's a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts, professional racers, and performance car builders who seek to elevate their vehicle's performance and handling characteristics. The structure is easy to install, and in some cars, it's perfectly aligned with the body and does not need any extra holes. However, the price can be problematic, as the 70 Mustang suspension package costs $19,000. We still have some special innovations coming up, such as a mega robot which looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This simple yet ingenious innovation from Japan can be fixed to the edges of docks to help save them from abrasion and other impacts. They act as a cushioning barrier between the dock and the vehicle, absorbing impact and minimizing the risk of collisions or structural damage. They're available in various lengths and weights from 14 to 27 kilograms. The installation process is pretty simple, and the instructions are pretty concise. As we move into the top 5 greatest innovations, it's time to showcase the best of the lot. Researchers at MIT have come up with this unique and one-of-a-kind speaker, which can turn any wall into an audio source. These speakers just weigh 2 grams, but despite being so small and lightweight, they can produce surprisingly rich and clear sound up to 86 decibels. For context, this is the same sound a vacuum cleaner makes. Its power consumption is quite low, as it only requires 100 milliwatts per square meter of the speaker. They can have numerous applications, as they can be discreetly installed in cinemas and amusement rides to create audio effects. As promising as they may sound, there's no guarantee when the speakers will be ready for mass production, so we can only wait and hope for the best. We initially talked about electric cars, but these Dutch students have gone a step ahead with this groundbreaking technology. They claim to have created the world's most efficient hydrogen-powered car. They aim to drive 2,056 kilometers while using just a kilogram of fuel. The Eco 8 pushes the technical boundaries of this efficiency by making the car smaller, lighter, and more aerodynamic. An example is optimizing the car shape to decrease the aerodynamic drag and making a load-carrying structure as lightweight as possible without braking. It's time to move from traditional fossil fuels, and this hydrogen-powered car is a great step toward the giant leap we need. As we are entering the top 3 incredible innovations, we still have one amazing renewable energy technology coming up, which can produce an infinite amount of energy if installed properly. This huge thing on your screens is not from a movie, but is actually an exoskeleton built for real-life mech races. 14 feet tall and weighing about 700 pounds, this beast amplifies the pilot's movements. Inside, a highly trained pilot would move her arms and legs as if she was running. The prosthesis' hydraulic-powered limbs move in sync, and the mech can gallop like a giant metal animal at up to 21 miles per hour. Without a pilot, prosthesis is just a giant erector set. This nearly 4-ton exoskeleton can leap 10 feet in the air. Furry and Robotics spent 8 years developing prosthesis, and almost $2 million and 2 years building it. They're still developing the exoskeleton, and hope to bring it to life pretty soon. You might have seen plenty of drones and also have flown many, but none are like this one. This incredible drone developed by a Swiss startup aims to solve the problem of highly energy-consuming drones, as their 4-wing design helps save energy. Inspired by natural flyers, Morpho can continually change her wings to achieve different configurations and thus adopt an energy-efficient profile while increasing her agility and maneuverability. The drone is lightweight and compact, weighing just 250 grams, and is perfect for hikes and trips. The drone, however, still needs some improvements, as the current battery life only allows for 17 minutes of flight per charge. Now, the #1 innovation today is a game changer, and can significantly help produce clean and ample energy. Like solar or wind energy, wave energy from the ocean offers a great energy source. Bombora M-Wave technology uses a series of flexible membrane modules anchored to the ocean floor. As waves pass over the modules, they create a pressure difference that drives air through turbines, thus moving them and generating electricity. Ocean waves are a consistent and predictable resource, making wave energy a reliable and sustainable power source. The membranes are made of rubber and are adjusted at such angles that encourage maximum energy conversion. A 2.5 megawatt station measures 75 by 15 meters. Imagine how much abundant energy lies under the oceans.